Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing. Check that your PC meets the game's requirements and note how much RAM you can spare. Once done, immediately copy the world folder and resource packs to a safe location so nothing is lost. Then find the crash report and latest. Log in the Minecraft/logs or the launcher folder. These files tell you what failed. Make sure to jot down the error type and any mod names referenced. Those details will guide the next corrective steps. You now isolate the cause. Launch vanilla Minecraft without mods to see if the crash persists. If vanilla runs, reintroduce mods one at a time or in small batches to identify the offender. Meanwhile, update Java, if using Java Edition, your GPU drivers, and the launcher to the latest stable versions because outdated runtime components often crash the game. Also make sure launcher RAM settings match your system. You finish by removing or updating any incompatible mods identified earlier. Redownload mod packs from trusted sources and use versions that match your Minecraft build. If problems continue, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall, delete mods and configuration folders, then reinstall the launcher and game. Make sure to restore your world from the backup you made earlier if save files get corrupted. If the crash still occurs, provide the crash report and latest. Log to support or community forums for targeted help. That log is the single best troubleshooting tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.